I just got a what if because of the last video I've made about Nixos, and we are here in Nixos in a virtual machine, and I've never installed Cinnamon. What if I wanted to have Cinnamon? Now, Cinnamon is one of the big desktops. I don't need to do anything for it. By that I mean there is nothing special about these big guys, but Awesome is special and BSPWM is special and so on. But basically, if I would like to build upon what we have here and how we are working with these folders and the structure and the idea, I would say I'm gonna make an extra file here, something like this. So i3 is out again, right? Whatever, it's your choice. And then desktops, and then cinnamon.nix would it be. And then in here in desktops, you take one of those that are not too complex, not overly complex, like this one. That's a good one. Control C, Control V. And then we tell him that the name is Cinnamon, and we open Cinnamon, and we tell him that it's not Herbstluft anymore, it's Cinnamon. I'm just making a guess, an educated guess, right? What else would they call it? So I did not look it up. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then you open your screen, you type rebuild, and he's gonna copy paste everything over. That's just the blah blah, the .config and the .local and all that. But this is where it creates the new machine. And here we see some things. Aha, Cinnamon does not exist. I know why. Window manager, right? Window manager. All these special guys are window managers. But if you go to Plasma, if you want to have Plasma, we call it the desktop manager. So basically that's the thing, right? It's not a window manager, it's an actual desktop. So they do make a distinction between tiling window managers and the default guys, I suppose. So rebuild. Okay. And that is the strange. Watch previous video. It's very strange to wrap your head around it, that you can really start with Plasma or GNOME or whatever, and then decide halfway, I'm gonna get rid of Plasma, I'm gonna get rid of GNOME, and I'm gonna actually generate a new generation. You'll see the word later on, a generation of the next OS, the next operating system that you will have based on Cinnamon. So if everything is okay, let's see. Plasma is out, i3 is out. This is generation number 5, right? Would be nice over time if we could change the name, or at least add something to it. If we say, okay, that was Plasma, that was i3, and that was this, would be interesting. But you have to ask the developers for that, if that's possible at all, or is it not feasible. Et voila, we've got Cinnamon. I thought, how will that look? It has some rising. The ArcoLinux look is worse, right? This is a much better look out of the box for sure. So we have a lot of things here. Okay, not that much. So you go to advanced and get a little bit more. I want this one, of course, and then mint dark blue. And we go to blue something else, blue. Let's take that one. And then, I don't know, blue again, I guess. Voila. And then we go back to the desktop, which is the display. And we tell them we have a little bit more real estate, my friend. And then keep this configuration off. And you see variety is already there. Awesome, beautiful, nice. How easy was that? We have now Cinnamon. We play with Cinnamon, and if we decide, It's another thing. You saw what I did, how easy it is to just switch around. And no, there is nothing. Let's go log out, log out, log out, log out. You'll see that's log out. That there is just this. That's it, right? SDM is nice. It's not nice now, but I mean, it's there. It's okay. It's good that it's there, but you have got only that choice. And in the meantime, this machine has seen like 6-7 things probably. So yeah, it's that easy to change from A to B. I just want to see out of the box how it looks. All right, cheers.